everybody, welcome back to another absolutely beautiful evening on the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. Today we're doing a little solo ride. No friends with me today. I'm going to my little brother's soccer game, so it's gonna be a short little ride over, kind of about 15 minutes. So I just figured I would film a little bit. Because the weather is absolutely beautiful, so why not? Uh-oh, got the popo up there. Am I filming? I cannot tell. Yeah, we're back on the R6, you already know. Still holding up good. The weather's absolutely perfect. It's like probably not even, well, it might be like low 80s. So really good for riding, but it is 5 o'clock, so we're gonna have a little bit of traffic. Can't lane split too much because there was a cop up there. Eee! Hello, go neutral. Click, 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 click. Man, it's freaking bright though. Woo! Nice Mustang. Got that thing on coilovers. Shoo-wee! Smoking a blunt or something. Yes, sir. I'll race you for $500. Just kidding. And a clean little BRZ. Sheesh. Always so much traffic in on the highway. Oh yeah, there's a cop 2 cars in front of me. So no lane splitting to get on the highway today. You're just gonna have to sit through the light 20 times. But yeah, hopefully all y'all have been okay through the hurricanes. I'm in Georgia, so I got affected by it a little bit. Luckily I wasn't in any of the bad parts. I just got rain mostly and like a little bit of wind, because I'm like northeast Georgia, so it just like swung west kind of, so it just missed me, thank God. But could have been a lot worse. Had to keep the girls safe and not ride for a while. But we're back now. And this weekend I'm going to New York. Not on the bike or anything, just for fun. Wish I could go on the bike, but I'm not like Jigsaw or something. I have a job. But one day I'll get there. Don't worry. Don't you worry. I'll be taking road trips all the time. Just like all the OGs. Man, this freaking cop's getting on the highway. You kidding me? Now I'm really gonna have to go slow. It's gonna make me late. I guess it's okay. Down, 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 bow, 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 bow. Holy balls, look at the traffic over there. Thank God I ain't over there. Woo! Hopefully it'll be cleared up by the time I get home. Nice little Beamer. Don't know what that was. M something. Living in the sun. Blah, pow, 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 pow. Woo, gonna have to take a chill today. Clutchless. How you like that? Ha! No quick shifter, just pure skill and luck. Ah, that's why there's a cop there. Okay, okay. Luckily, I only have to go like one exit down, so we're chilling. Is he literally pulling someone over right now? What the frick? No way. What's he doing up there? I guess he got a call. Yay! That means I'm free. Woo! Tire in the road. Ah! Watch him turn back around to get me. Ah, no! Man, it's freaking windy. Okay though, we're almost there. Man, the freaking first responder blocking me. That's all right. Nice little Acura right there. TSX or whatever. Clean. Ooh. Some old dude. Nice. Oh, I can hear my pops echoing off the wall. That's cool. Haha! Aw, motherfricker. Look at all that traffic. Well, I guess I'm gonna be a little bit late to the game, boy. Oh well. I need to get some new gloves. Beep, 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 beep. I have another, like, other gloves, but not gauntlet gloves, unfortunately. Holy frick, it's gonna take me forever to get through there. Man, what y'all doing, man? You don't just get to go. Oh, I cry tonight. Hey, at least it ain't like 9 billion degrees out. I ain't burning my balls off. Waiting in all this traffic. Cute little downtown. I like it. Downtown Brazelton. All the cops, what the heck? Man, all waiting for me. Ah! Not really. And here we are, boy. Yeah. So, anyways, thank you all so much for watching today. Not anything too crazy, but hey, at least I got to film some, right? Yeah. Peace out.